Hi everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about using the mask to select, copy and paste. So masking is just another way for selecting an object that you want to copy and paste. So to use the masking tool, we're going to go onto the left toolbar and click on the masking tool, which is right here at the bottom, which is a rectangle that looks like it has a circle inside of it. So we're going to click on it. Now that we have the masking tool selected, we're going to use our paintbrush to paint over the area that we want to select. So we're going to navigate all the way to the paintbrush, which is also on this left panel right here, and we're going to click on it. Next, we're going to paint over the area that we want to select using this paintbrush tool that we just selected. So we can achieve this by clicking and then dragging over the areas that we want to select. So you're going to want to make sure that the opacity is at 100%. And you can also change the sizes of your brush by clicking over here and making it smaller, making it harder, or making it softer. So I'm going to use a hard round brush to select the area that I want. And I'm going to make it smaller. So I'm just going to paint over the area that I want to select now. So after you're done coloring the section that you want to select, you're going to go back to the masking tool and you're going to click on it again. So after you do this, a dotted line is going to appear around your selection and around the edge of the image. This is because Photoshop is selecting everything outside of the selection area. So we're going to want to inverse this selection. So to achieve this, we're going to go all the way to the top and click on select and then click inverse. And now the dotted line is only going to appear around the area that we selected. So now you have successfully selected an area which you can then copy and paste onto another section. And you can achieve copying by clicking on edit, copy, and then edit, paste, and then it's going to appear on a new layer which you can then move around. Thank you so much for watching.